All right, so you click on this video hoping that you can automate your job search program, and we'll definitely get into that. Make sure you click on the chapters below so you can skip towards the main part. This is going to be the introduction as to how I even came across this idea. So basically, while I was playing my Minecraft world, I'm like, I have a 60% keyboard. I literally cannot do F3 and T to refresh my UI. So I ended up like thinking like, how can I make an auto hotkey script that does F3 and T? I need a UI if I want to like do it, quite easily. When I Google how to make a UI, I found this dude that's like making this video of him automating his website searches with a UI. I looked at his script. I'm like, wait a minute, I could use this script to apply for job searching. And then like, that's how we arrive here. The main thing though, you do have to prep your link a little bit. What I mean by that, and hopefully I have a screenshot of this. What I mean by this, you have to put like a dash in front of your percentage inside of your link. And that's partially because how AutoHotkey program as a script runs. If you don't put that dash in front of it, it's not going to be able to read the entire link and it's going to like crash. So make sure when you copy the link from Google website search link, you put the dash in front of it. Again, I'm going to have example of this in a few minutes. So make sure you understand how to use like Boolean searches for Google search real quick, because I forgot to mention it's a crucial first step to even using the HOT script. Boolean searches on Google is pretty much just this. You have your websites separated by this bar or pipe, and then you have more websites separated by pipes. And at the end, you want to put in your actual position that you want to find. Words like or, and, these are what's called Boolean operators. And I think Google got rid of most of them except a few. So these are the ones we have left over. And lastly, you want to put and Boston or whatever location you're in to like filter out the geographical locations. It will only help by a slight amount because a lot of these companies, especially if you're in tech, they're like a global company. So they will be including various other locations, including, the ones you're looking for. And sometimes they might not even be there just because they're a global company. Once you have Google search look up this entire list of information, you want to copy this link. Copy it and then remember to put the dash in front of the percentage. It will be easier if you copy it into like a notepad and then like do it that way. But I'm just reminding you here. Don't mind the background for a second, but this is basically what the person did. I copied his entire script and I switched out a few things. Like I renamed his variables. I renamed like what visually it's going to say on the UI. And these are the links below. You want to put this dash in front of the percentage. Very, very important. If you don't put it, it's going to crash. You see how every single percentage in front of it has this little dash. And at the bottom here, I have like individual websites. If I do plan on like searching like unique terms. That's why I have like this first row called predefined. So we already have what we're looking for. And then we have the different links on different websites. And this variable checked allows you to toggle which website you want to, which preset you want to activate or deactivate when the program boots up. Okay, so when you have your script copied from a website, you want to create a text file like this and you just like paste it in. Once you're done with that and you have the AutoHotkey program installed, all you have to do is rename it into, or rename the extension into AHK and then double click it and you can run it. And I'm going to prove to you that this thing does work when you like click on these. I'm going to click on my predefined first. Okay, it popped off in a different screen, so I'll just drag it over. Drag it over here. And yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. And then we're going to try to use the ICIMS search real quick. So we want to look for a job like, I don't know, veterinarian. I don't know how to spell veterinarian. That's completely wrong, but sure. There we go. It works, Butters. It works. My idea works.